Seems like this BJP government has given Goa coal. Have they given Goa a new airport? And in return, criminal activities are. And shocking, they have sold and in return taken away our mother. See, the time has come for all of us to show our commitment today towards mother and Goa. We will not indulge in any political games or battle of words and rhetorics. The Chief Minister has said time and again, over a dozen times, that mother is mother to us and we shall protect it at any cost. I believe that the Chief Minister should tender his resignation. Jenna tu aaj statement hoda ki you are pro mother. You have to prove your loyalty. I also believe that all the 40 MLAs, all of us should be prepared en masse to submit our resignation. We have to be prepared to resign. Let there be no political differences. Central government, they only believe in numbers. This is the only way that they will realize that Goans are united. And Goa and Mother demands this sacrifice from us. So you be prepared to resign, Mr. Chief Minister, if you are serious on your words. Khalsa Disak, he made a statement that we shall fight to the hilt for each drop of Madai. I can assure you that we are prepared to make such a sacrifice. You have to tell the people of Goa whether you are ready to resign in the interest of Goa and Goans. I will just give you a chronology because this matter is very serious. March 20 तारीख, the Honorable Chief Minister had made a statement. He said that the interim order of the Honorable Supreme Court continues to be in operation and no work can be started by Karnataka in implementation of the award without all the permissions from central government and without preparing a DPR. In his usual style, but आज the status today, we have to all understand that this is a victory for Karnataka. And today, the Karnataka government has not only been given an environment clearance, but they have been given an approval for their DPR. And this government and the Chief Minister is on the back foot. Jenna to back foot, he makes a statement that and raises the flag of the Wildlife Protection Act. So this is basically, he is on a suicidal mode. This is just to pull wool over our eyes. So we have to, as I said, we have to be serious together and we have to realize that Karnataka has the upper hand today. Only then will we be in a position to save Madai and save Goa. Jenna December 2019, Jenna Tennache Environment Minister Bob Prakash Javadekar Goan Dille. There was an agitation and protest and a lot of activities done by the Congress party and various other parties. He said he would arrive in a solution within 15 days on the environment clearance. The Goa government had appealed and taken grievances, an objection. Yes, central government and gain Daspina Vidal Malay. So, December 2021, Mukhya Mantri statement kelo कि the government will not compromise on Madai issue as it is the lifeline of 60% of the people of Goa. Tumka BJP has shown a lot of determination. MLA with the give up रात्या भितर आणि आज गोंयचे आमदाराचे नाव म्हाका दिसता I feel ashamed to say that the MLAs are treated as a laughing stock all over the country. If you all show this determination towards saving Madai, 50% of this determination, we can work together. I want to tell the Honorable Chief Minister, let the central government know that all the 40 MLAs and the legislators are together to save Madai in the interest of Goa and Goans. I demand that the Honorable Speaker and the Chief Minister extend the assembly session and there has to be a debate, a special day only on Madai.